Hello, boys and girls. We're going to be practicing our phonograms today with our flashcards. Let's begin. I say ah. You say teach me. I say b. You say b. Teach me. I say k. You say k. Teach me. I say d. You say d. Teach me. D. I say eh. You say eh. Teach me. I say f. You say f. Teach me. I say g. You say g. Teach me. I say h. You say h. Teach me. I say eh. You say eh. Teach me. I say j. You say j. Teach me. I say k. The tall one. You say k. The tall one. Teach me. I say l. You say l. Teach me. I say You say Teach me. I say You say Teach me. I say ah. You say ah. Teach me. I say p. You say p. Teach me. I say qu. You say qu. Teach me. I say r. You say r. Teach me. I say s. You say s. Teach me. I say t. You say t. Teach me. I say You say Teach me. I say v. You say v. Teach me. I say w. You say w. Teach me. I say x. You say x. Teach me. I say y. You say y. Teach me. Y. I say z. You say z. Teach me. Very good. Those are our first sounds that the letters make. We'll do another video with second and third sounds for some of these letters. Thank you.